Okay. Now Euclid's equivalent version of Euclid's fifth postulates. Euclid's fifth postulate is very significant in the history of mathematics. So what is it says? So if two lines are there, so Euclid fifth postulates we have already learned. So it says that if two parallel lines are there, if a straight line falling on to straight line makes the interior angle on the same side of which taken together is less than 2 right angle, then it will be, then two straight lines if produced indefinitely will meet each other. Okay, so here it says that two lines are there. Okay, so if the interior angle formed by them is less than 180, then they will meet at one point, that is they are not parallel. Okay, so they have so many versions were there for this one. So first one is for every line L and for every point P not lying on that L, there exists a unique line M passing through P and parallel to M. So that is one theorem, one axiom. So what is given? One straight line is there, L. So if you are taking a P not on the line L, so you can through that P we can draw so many lines passing through that one P. Okay, but there is a line that is parallel to this L, okay, passing through P. So we can draw a line M parallel to this L passing through P. See, P, through P you can draw so many lines, but they are not all parallel to L. Only one line, a unique line will be parallel to L. That is Fair-Plane axiom says. Okay, so another one is two distinct intersecting lines cannot be parallel to the same line. So two distinct intersecting lines, so this L and M are two lines, they are intersecting. So will they be parallel? No, intersecting lines are not parallel to each other. So that are these all axioms came from Euclid's fifth postulates. Now example C 3, you see, consider the following statement: there exists a part of straight line that are everywhere equidistant from one another. Okay, a pair of straight lines. In this, is this statement a direct consequence of Euclid's fifth postulate? Explain. So what is given? There exists a pair of straight line that are everywhere equidistant from one another. That is, see, if you are taking this one as a straight line, pair of straight line, that means two straight lines will be there. Okay, now if we are taking one as M, another one as M, so their distance should be always same. That is, if we are taking the distance from L and M from this point or from this point or from this point, it should be same. That means what? L and M should be parallel to each other. So solution is given. What you have to take a line M and not a point on that one. So by Playfair axiom, there exists a unique line passing through. So you have to take a point P on this one M. So there exists a straight line passing through P and parallel to L. Okay, so that is true, and it is based on Euclid's postulates only. Distance always same from every point. That means they are parallel to each other. Now 5.2, first one. How would you rewrite Euclid's fifth postulate so that it would be easy to understand? So Euclid's fifth postulate says that two straight lines are there. That is, two parallel straight lines are there. If they if they are not parallel, their interior angles will be less than 180. No, so if you can write like that, two straight lines L and M are there. So their interior angle is less than 180 means they will meet at one point, or if it is 180, that means they will be parallel to each other. Okay. Now second one, does Euclid's fifth postulate imply the existence of parallel lines? Yes. So second one, answer is yes. How will you explain that one? That is two straight lines. So if it is like this, they will intersect each other. If it is like this one, that means they are at every point they have equal distance. That means they will not intersect each other and they will be always parallel to each other. So this one in writing I will give you.